Hey there, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you about our website's header issue. So the client website header was like this before. Here you can see this was the header logo. This was how it was looked before. You can see here is the logo and here is the title. So I have already fixed this issue and let me show you the live website. So here is the live website. Let's refresh this one. Inspect. And here you can see now it is fully responsive. You see now it is fully responsive header. So this is what we have worked for this website. We have fixed the header responsive issues. The client was so happy, and I'm glad to share this experience with you guys. If you need any kind of these fixes on your website, then feel free to knock us. You can contact through our website WpErrorFix.com, and we'll be happy to help you with any WordPress issues. Or if you have a website that you want to redesign, or if you want to improve the current functionalities, whatever you want, feel free to knock us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you again. Thanks for watching this video.